Hi guys, my name's Josh. I'm the owner and founder of Relentless Motorsports. I started Relentless Motorsports as I saw there was a need for more automotive electronics repair in the automotive workspace and industry. I am also an avid car enthusiast who has over 21 years of experience with everything from motorsports racing to basic auto repair and more. And I'd like to work with you guys to help keep your old nostalgic 90s Japanese automobiles and even Euro make vehicles like Ferrari and whatnot. My mission is to keep them all alive and keep them around for years and years to come. I would like to work with you guys, be part of your build, and get to know you guys. I like meeting new automotive enthusiasts such as myself, and like I said, I'd love to be part of your build and to help keep your cars on the road. Anyway, hit me up anytime at www.relentlessmotorsportspx.com.